Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix could not activate mobile data network and your iPhone or iPad. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that you cannot activate your mobile data network, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first step is you just have to scroll down to Chrome Center and you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode. After 4 or 5 times, it will make a quick refresh with your network settings, and after doing that, you have to simply enable your mobile data if your issue has been fixed or not, or if you are still having the same issue. So you have to try to update your software. Open settings here, go for general here, and go for software update, and you have to check if there are any pending software update. If you find any pending software update, try to update your software, and once you update your software, you have to simply go back and once you have updated your software, it will almost fix your issue. Or if you are still facing the same issue, so you have to make a force restart your phone, because it might be sometime your iPhone have any glitch in itself, so it may be fixed in this step. So you have to quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and raise the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, you have to unlock your phone and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If you're still facing the same issue, so you have to try to reset all of your network settings. Open your settings tab here, go for general here, go for VPN and device management, and you have to also check that your VPN is not connected. Then go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. And continue this step. It will reset all of your network settings, including your Wi-Fi, cellular data, Bluetooth, your AirDrop, and also including your hotspot. So all of your network settings will be resetted. It will not delete your data. So you can easily try this. And after that, if you are still facing the same issues, you have to open your Apple Sport app, or you can use Apple Sport web. Then select your iPhone from here. Select more option. Now you just have to look for mobile services. Once you find mobile services here, you just have to select that. Or if you are unable to find mobile services, so you have to look for cellular services here. Select that option. Then select run diagnostics if you want to check diagnostics, or I'm going to skip this for now and then get help from Apple Support team. Here select the get more help option, then select call us. Now you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you'll be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there, so your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.